can't say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Don't stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here till you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here till you cry, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart from this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be in my heart always. Yes, you'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be in my heart always.
Hello, Day. Lor, happy birthday. Hinaot, tagaan o daghang grasya sa kanunay o maayong panlawas. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Lord. God bless you. Happy birthday, Ate Lord.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. God bless.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lord. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Lord. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lo. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Lord. Happy birthday. Ang over pa akong beauty, Lord. Enjoy your birthday, Lord. Save me some more food. Sorry. I still have hangover. But enjoy your birthday. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lord. May have more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Lord.
Happy birthday,
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy
Happy birthday, Mommy Lord.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Hi, Tilor. Happy birthday, Tilor. More birthdays to come. Akong wish nga na mapunoon tayo mong adlaw og happiness, laughter, and love gikan sa imo. Sa mga people nga importante kayo sa imo life. Salamat po, Tilor, sa inyo ug sa inyong kamaayo diri ka namo og enjoy your special day and make lots of happy memories. Happy birthday again and God bless. Always hope you see you soon.
Happy birthday, day, Lord. Nga hinaton ta nga daghang birthday maabot nimo nga hinaton ta nga tagaan kag daghan nga blessing sa Ginoo. Nga maabot pa tag 100 years nga atong ang imong pangidaron. Nga salamat ko kayo sa imong kaayo, day, Lord. Happy birthday. More blessing to you.
Lord, happy birthday. Unang-una, nagpasalamat ko sa imo. Kaayo, dili na mo ni Mada mo. Sa imo mga tabang sa reklamo. Especially ito na dito ko na hospital. Karon, birthday man nimo. Ang ako ikasulti nimo. Basig na Amerikano na ako lang in Englishon kay gusto kayo mag-translate baka English. Lord, wishing you continued success in your business and fulfillment in everything you do. May this year bring new opportunities and growth. Wish you all the best and have a wonderful celebration. Happy birthday to you, Lord. Sa imong pamilya, Lord, kag Jerome, kag Liana, kag Anya. May the God bless you all. Happy birthday once again. Pagkat na naglingal, si Mada naman yung istorya ka.
Hi, Lord. Birthday mo na mo malay. Ay, 40 anyos na yun ka. Sinasuon na nga. Dagan kong katuligan mapunta itong pinabuhi. O ilabi na giyon sa mga grasya nga nadawat ni mo. Grasya ang dawat anak. O kutul pero dagan kayong salamat sa imong mga tamang alamon, ipadagin mo. Happy birthday! Yay! Bye, Mano!
Happy birthday!
Lord,
birthdays to come and more blessings.
Hi, Lord. Happy and blessed 40th birthday. Thank you for being always there for me and our entire family. Thank you for your generosity together with your family, with Jerome and the kids. Daghan kayong salamat sa tanan-tanan. Daghan na kay mog mga natabangan ng mga tao and family and na-inspire. So, ingon ka, as you say, achieving 40th birthday is already a blessing. Yes, indeed, truly it is a great blessing. So, blessed kay ka with your family as a business-minded woman, as a mother, and as a teacher. But with all those, I think ang pinaka medyo hardest part is being a mother to our kids. Sabi na this time, Lord, nga nagkadago na sila, naana sila yung mga ilahang ideas or mga suggestions. But with God's guidance, padayon lang ta sa pag-guide po nila. So again, we are so blessed and happy to have you as our sister and a member of the family. So we always pray to God that you and your family will receive more blessings, good health, and especially nimo more blessings and more birthdays to celebrate. So we love you, Lord, from Argao. Amping mo diha always, and God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lord. Wish you always good health and more blessings to come with you and your family. We love you always. God bless.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. I hope that you will enjoy your birthday today. Thank you for being the most best mother. I hope God will bless you with a lot of blessings, and I hope that you will have more years of love and laughter. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you and I hope that you will enjoy your happiest and wonderful day today. Happy birthday!
Lady akong istorya dili ng ato taskon. Happy birthday na lang. Manilaot ko nga ikaw taga nagtaas ni kinabuhi nga daghan yun mo abot nga birthday sa salamat kayo. Hi Liz, happy birthday. I wish nga ikaw hatagan takag taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Unya, ako, tigulang naman. Hindi na lang ko mag-birthday. Happy birthday, Len! Man lang to.
Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you.